Hi, welcome to the channel The Ancients. I'm your host Dr. Moharem Ghosh and I'm back today with a Navaratri special. The video I'm bringing for you on this Navaratri special is about those 10 things which you can buy during Navarat, the 9 holy days when Ma Durga visits her devotees on earth, so that you welcome into your home good health, prosperity, success, peace of mind, positivity, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. Before I share with you these 10 items, let me share a brief with you about the channel The Ancients. I started this channel in February 2021, and in a short span of over 7 months, we have garnered over 311 subscribers and 5,000 views. My mission, with 23 years of research in the ancient sciences of astrology, numerology, and Vastu, is to ensure that you live a life filled with good health, prosperity, good fortune, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. I wanted to say thank you for all my subscribers for their support, and for all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or have come onto the channel for the very first time. I request you, please join the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icons so you are given an update every time we bring a new video. I'm sure you will benefit much through these videos. Please also like these videos and share them with your friends and family. Encourage them to subscribe. When you encourage your friends and family to subscribe and they are benefited, you enhance your good karmas, as sharing critical information which benefits others is also good karma. Let's come back to our topic. What are those 10 things which you can bring to your home during these Navrats to enhance your good health, good fortune, and prosperity? The first thing I recommend most highly is peacock feathers. Bring in at least 3 peacock feathers. Keep 1 peacock feather on the northern side, 1 peacock feather on the northeast, and the 3rd peacock feather on the eastern wall. If you want, you can also put a peacock feather beside Durga Ma statue, which you are installed at your home, or the idol of Durga Ma. It will bring about substantial benefits of prosperity and good fortune in your home. Second item I highly recommend is ghee. Bring it during the Navrats to your home, enhance your luxuries. Third item is haldi. You can get in the haldi sticks, haldi powder, or pisa hua gila haldi also, whichever you are comfortable with. It's very auspicious. It will enhance the positivity at your home and will also enhance your good luck. Fourth item is camphor. If you bring it to your home during the Navrats, you are sure to benefit with positivity and inflow of good luck into your home. Fifth item which I recommend is fitkari. Keep this in open bowls, glass bowls on the northern side of your home or eastern side of your home, or you could also just put it a few pieces under your floor mat near your main door. It will enhance your prosperity, bring in positivity, and bring in a lot of good luck. Sixth item which I recommend is Ganga Jal. Buy some Ganga Jal and keep it in your prayer room. It will enhance the positivity at your home. Next item is the Shank or the conch. You can buy it and get it during the Navrats Awesome. And if you can buy the Dakshinamurti Shank during the Navrats, Sone Pe Suhaga, the icing on the cake. And if you blow it daily during the Navrats, wow, you will welcome good health, wealth, prosperity into your home. Purchase silver or gold during the Navrats and keep them during the Navrats in front of Ma Durga and then only wear it. If you can keep a silver or gold coin near Ma Durga for all the 9 days of Navrats, Sone Pe Suhaga, icing on the cake, you are sure to enhance your prosperity throughout the Navrats. 16 Shringar ke items which are used for beautification by women such as sindoor, bangles, bindis, necklace, jhumkas, piles, creams, powders, all these are called as 16 Shringar. Bindis, keep them in front of Ma Durga, offer it to her, say, Ma, this is my offering to you, bless me. See the effect. You are sure to enhance your attractiveness and enhance the positivity. You are sure to enhance your prosperity. It's a wonderful, tried and tested thing. Please try it. You will thank me for it. Next, the lotus flower, the 9th item on my list. Ma Lakshmi is very fond of lotus flowers. You can get a lotus flower and offer it to Ma Lakshmi or Ma Durga during the Navrats. Wow, your prosperity is assured for the coming year. Friends, I have shared with you 10 items which are sure to enhance your good luck, good fortune, prosperity and health if bought into your homes during the Navrats. I will repeat this as a list. Just note it: 1 peacock feathers, 2 lotus flowers, 3 16 Shringar or items of beautification such as sindoor, bangles, bindis, payal, necklaces, powder, creams. Offer it to Ma Durga. 4 gold and silver ornaments or coins. 5 the conch or shank. 6 Ganga Jal. 7 fitkari. 8 camphor. 9 haldi and 10 ghee. Friends, I am sure when you follow this advice during this Navrats, you are sure to be blessed by Ma Durga. I once again thank all my 311 subscribers on the channel, The Ancients, and for all those of you who have come on to the first time to the channel, The Ancients, or have not yet subscribed to the channel, I request you kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you get an update on every video which we release for you, and please do share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them to subscribe to the video so that they too are benefited. When they subscribe to the channel, you will be enhancing your good karmas as you are sharing vital, critical information which can make a difference in their lives. I will be back again, friends, with a very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best, stay safe.